Alright, here's the Dexcom G6 box that ships in. It has one small box with the sensor in it. This comes with the sensor patch. That 5937 is the number of this particular unit. You peel these back and stick it on your skin, and I'll do a video on that later. But this is a G6 sensor. You flip this over and push it down, and a needle pops out in your skin once this adhesive is put on your body. So that's that. And then here's your start here manual. And that tells you all about everything you ever wanted to know about it, or you can watch YouTube's USB charging cable. Here's the unit. Looks like it don't come with batteries in it or something. It must have to be plugged in. Yeah. It says it's loading. So let's get started. Next, the day. I'm going to do a video on this one too. I'm not going to mess with it right now, trying to figure it out. So you've got the sensor, the transmitter, and this is the receiver. And the receiver picks up information and sends it via Wi-Fi to your smartphone or to the computer that you got it on. I'm going to try to get it to send to both of them, so I'm going to figure that out first. And then I'll do another video on that. So basically this is the unit. The price kind of threw me. My insurance bill was thought it was $2,700. The sensor was $1,770, and you get 9 of them. And the receiver was $487. So luckily I got insurance to cover that, because I wouldn't do it myself. That seems to be a little excessive. But, you know, it is what it is. And so for right now, that's all I'm going to do on this video. And I hope you like and subscribe and share with friends that have diabetics or are monitoring their blood sugar, and see if this is good for them. Thanks.